Lucy's Rossmönster Vans, and today I want to show you around this Promaster 159 that we just wrapped up. In the front, we have KO2 tires. Moving a little bit further back, we have a walnut flip-down happy hour table. Up top, we have an Aluminess roof rack with crossbars and a Thule. And then all the way in the rear here, we have a Küat bike rack that's going to be on a swing arm that we'll show you once we come around back. And we also have an Aluminess tire carrier back here. So let's check out the inside of this rig. All right, before we get into the specific different components of this van, I'll talk a little bit about the design and layout. Up front, we have a bench seat. This is getting an upholstered cushion for the backrest soon. We have a bathroom shower area a little bit further back. We have our galley on the right here, closet, and then dinette / sleeping area in the rear. When it comes to design features, we have walnut butcher block countertops throughout. Additionally, you'll find walnut accents on the flip down happy hour table, on the main table here, and on our cabinetry in the rear. Our ceiling is going to be painted white, and all of our cupboards are painted a nice Sherwin-Williams gray. So really nice design, and this one also has some custom cabinet pulls to give it a little bit of a modern look. So we'll start in the front and work our way back. We'll start out by talking about storage features in this van. We have our upper cabinets throughout. All of these are going to be on our V-latches as per usual to keep everything secure while we're in transit. With this bench seat, we also have two really nice sized drawers underneath for storage. And then moving into the galley, we have drawers all down the right side of the fridge. Again, just tons of nice deep storage there. And then we also have a cupboard under the sink, which is predominantly going to be for our 7-gallon gray water tank. In this galley area, again, we have our walnut butcher block countertops. On the end here, we have a 20-inch countertop extension just to get you a little bit more real estate. We have our 15 by 20 Ruvati workstation sink. This is going to have a spot-resistant stainless steel soap dispenser, which is a nice feature as well. We have our true induction single burner cooktop closer to the rear here. We have an aluminum magnetic backsplash here, which will be really nice. They can stick knives to it, spices, whatever. And then down here we have a 4.63 cubic foot isotherm fridge and freezer combo. So nice and roomy. They should have plenty of space to pack the goods for a week or so. Moving on to the driver's side of this van, we have a 24 by 36 custom Rossmönster shower. This has brushed aluminum walls, a teak shower grate, and then my favorite feature of this shower is that you have a secret hiding space for your dry flush toilet. This is going to be on 500-pound locking gear slides. So come out, use the toilet. When you don't want it to be in here, it's just hidden away from view and locks back in there. So where the toilet is actually going to live is in the closet, separated by a partition here. Nice roomy closet, allows us to run our water lines through. We have a hanger for all of their clothes, and then another little drawer, as well as full-size mirror. When it comes to ventilation in this van, we have a max air fan up front, and we have a Dometic Penguin AC unit in the rear here. When it comes to windows, we have the C.R. Lawrence T-vent windows on the passenger side and on the driver's side, and then some half slides in the rear in the dinette area. When it comes to power systems in this van, we have 3 different lighting zones. We have our above cab, we have our under cab, and we have our dimmable LED dome lights. We also have a separate lighting zone for the shower there. As per usual, we're going to have our Victron Bluetooth Battery Monitor so they can keep track of their battery levels at all time. A special feature about this fan is that we have the electronic gray water dump. So that's going to be for the shower. Whenever they're ready to dump it, you just hit this button and it all releases. To the right of the switch panel, we have our Rixen hydronic heat and hot water system. So that's going to pull hot water to their sink, to their shower, and also allow them to heat the cabin area in the colder months. Moving all the way to the rear, we have our dinette area. So this is going to be our dinette and our sleeping area. So these clients are going to sleep widthwise in the vehicle. This table drops down to make it a flat surface, and then they'll have cushions that come out and cover it. They're picking those up shortly. Before we lift this table up to show you what it looks like in dinette mode, I just want to mention that there's a really nice step up here. So this whole area is going to be lifted a little bit. That allows us to run water lines through here rather than having to take them entirely through the closet and take up real estate in the cabinets. In the rear of this van, you can check out the dinette in actual dinette mode this time. We also have another exterior table on 500-pound locking gear slides. Again, it's going to be walnut so that it matches with the rest of the design in this rig. On the driver's side of this dinette, we have our water cabinet. So in here, you're going to find a 30-gallon freshwater tank, our Rixen hydronic heat and hot water system, and a 3-stage water filtration system. Moving over to the passenger side, we have our electrical cabinet. So this is going to have 600 amp hours of lithium battery bank, 3,000 watt inverter, 200 watt solar array up top, and then additionally we have a heating pad for those lithium batteries in case they are going to go on some winter adventures. That wraps up this van tour. Be sure to follow us on Instagram, subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss a van tour. I'm Lucy with Rossmönster Vans. Thank you for watching and hope you have a great rest of your day.